why the fuck is nobody driving? Well, no little pull for us. Then per usual, completely forgot that this place is like 15 minutes-ish from the house. So we have the wheel right there, about to get repaired. Should be done by tomorrow, so we can pick them up, get the tires put on, and then get rid of the SE37s because they desperately need to go. Oh, wow, this is an M Sport version with some big ass brakes on the front. What the fuck? That thing actually looks pretty good. Fucking never knew the brakes were that big. I wonder if you put like M4 brakes on it or something, or if it just comes like that. Huh, it looks pretty good. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow, I guess, because they're not going to be done today. Plus I wasn't coming back today because time wise, but yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. Man, who told you that a coupe is not practical? Well, that was failed. I'll move that around. But so these are the wheels now. Boom, properly done, balanced, I think, I don't remember, but yeah, they're all, what do you call it, sealed up and everything like that. Made sure that the welds are properly done. Gonna get the tires on those mounted tomorrow because I'm not gonna make it out to Norwood today, but I'm in no rush anyway, so we'll just do that. But I'll probably just move everything off the seat and then just throw the tire in the back as well, because it seems like it's not gonna fit right here. But yeah, 19 by 10 wheels in the trunk with plenty space. Who says coupes are not practical? I did bumbo clock when I talk about coupes not practical. Fuck when I talk about. Easy. Easy a fuck. Alright, so the wheels are on right now. It has a slight bit more stretch, so the clearance is a little bit better. But what I'm most likely going to do is switch to 275/30 in the front, so it has a more square fit like that with a teeny tiny amount of stretch, and then it'll be about the same width and stick out a little bit farther, so that way I'll still have the same amount of clearance in the front. But yeah, like, there we go, very motorsports looking. I definitely like the way that these ones look better than the fake TEs. So the only thing I have to do right now is go home, grab the studded afterkit and slap those on. But definitely a nice change. And I also have to continue to polish these wheels so I can clear them so they can stay clean. But for now, that's good enough. That bird shit's clearly a paid actor by now because that's been there for weeks. But yeah, satisfied. Yeah, that's just tough.